Good morning. I decided to pick a really simple recipe this morning to show you firsthand, and I'm going to be moving the camera around a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to make tooth powder this morning, which you've all had, and some of you may like the recipe for. So I'm going to twist this down, see if I can do this. I just experimented, and like that. There we go. Anyway, I have my baking soda, my xylitol, and my sea salt. And then I have my little containers. This is one that we use. It's empty. I'm going to clean it out briefly just with a paper towel to make sure it's dry and clean on the inside, and that the lid is also. Then I keep the recipe on the side of my xylitol because it's actually the ingredient in this tooth powder that is kind of, this is all I use it for generally. So the tooth powder recipe is right here, and it comes in parts just like other herb recipes. So it's 3 parts baking soda, which is what I have first, 1 part xylitol, and 1 part sea salt. So and then peppermint oil. And I just have my Now brand peppermint oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 level, let me see where you are. 3 level, 1, I do it just the way the recipe says. 1, 2, 3 level teaspoons into my container. 1 level xylitol and 1 level of sea salt. Then I put about, we like it a little bit warm, so about 15 drops of peppermint oil. And I put the lid on and I shake it. Okay, then kind of tap the top so it gets everything off the top. Take the lid off, and you're going to repeat that. You're going to do it again because that will fill the container. So we do 3 level baking soda, that's why I keep them in order. 3 level baking soda, 1 xylitol, and 1 sea salt. And then 15 or 20. I really don't do a lot of counting. Depending on how much you like peppermint oil will determine how much peppermint oil you put in. And I suppose you could use other seasoning or flavors if you like spearmint or cinnamon, or you know, something like that. I guess you could do whatever you like or your children would like, or any combination of them. And you shake them and it's ready to go. And then all you do is wet your toothbrush, dip it in, and brush your teeth and do like you know how to do. Anyway, that's how you make tooth powder, and this was my kickoff YouTube. We'll see how this goes.